Aldarain Modern School, hoyga aqoonta.
Hello students, welcome to physics class form 1 and the chapter is work, power and energy. Work, power and energy. In this chapter we are going to cover the topics like what is energy, what are the units, and what is kinetic energy, and problems on kinetic energy. Right? Let's start. What is energy? Energy is the capacity to do work, any work, walking, jogging, running, boxing, lifting, any work. If we want to do a work, we need to have some energy. It means the energy we took, food energy, right? The food we eat, that gives us an energy, right? So that is one form of energy we can also say. All the energies can be measured in the units joules. Right, and the SI unit of energy is joule, and we have many forms like here. One is kinetic energy, potential energy, electrical energy, chemical energy, solar energy. This is sound energy, right? So light energy we can also call in the form of light energy. We will get the solar energies, and the nuclear energy, heat energy, light energy, and we have many forms, but these are the common ones that we are going to discuss in our next classes, right? Okay, fine. Let's start. Kinetic energy. What is kinetic energy? A form of energy. It is a form of energy in the common forms. It is one form of energy that a body in motion possesses. If a body is in motion, means that is a kinetic energy. If I am holding a weight and I am not moving, that is a different form of energy. If I am holding a weight and I am walking, that is in the form of kinetic energy we can say. Right? If a body is in a motion, then we can say it is a kinetic energy. Right? A form of energy that a body in motion possesses. If a body is in a motion, that it possesses the motion, then we can say it is a kinetic energy. A body at rest, will it possess any kinetic energy? No. Example, bullet shot out from pistol. Shot out. It has kinetic energy. Helicopter flying at 120 kilometers per hour. These two are the examples for the kinetic energy. Here, a body at rest is not an kinetic energy. Right? Fine. Next. Kinetic energy. The amount of kinetic energy of a moving body depends on two things. Kinetic energy depends on two things. What are they? Mass of a body and velocity. Means kinetic energy means motion. Means a body is moving. Body has mass and it is moving, means it has some velocity, right? That's why it depends on the two things. Number one, mass, and the number two, velocity. And this gives the formula, actual basic formula for the kinetic energy is half mv square. Okay, when either mass or velocity moving bodies increase, kinetic energy will also increase. Any one is increased, kinetic energy also increase. Next, see the formula. Just already we learned the formula, that is half mv square, mass times velocity square. Mass can be taken in units kg, velocity already know, meters, ms to the power of -1, right? Now SI unit is joule, same as work done. The work is nothing but one kind of energy, right? Here kinetic energy, mass, a car moving, the velocity, mass, a car has mass like 3000 kgs, 4000 kgs, 10,000 kgs, 500 kg, a toy car, anything, a car has mass. If we allow the switch on, or we start it, if it start motion, it is moving. That's not velocity. Means this scenario, a mass which has the velocity is called kinetic energy. Let's do some examples of our kinetic energy here. Find the kinetic energy if an empty van of mass 1000 kg moving at 2. Means here it has given the mass, it has given the velocity. It is asking to find kinetic energy. What is the formula for the kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is equals to half mv square. Right? So from this what we can write? Half m is how much? 1000 kg times 2 meter per second whole square, because v square, right? V square, v is 2, so how much we can take? So from this, half 1000 times 4, so how much you will get? 2. So basically how much you will get? 2 times 1000, 2000. What is this 2000? Energy. What are the units for the energy? Joules. 2000 joules. Now next problem number 2. Find the kinetic energy. Same formula you are going to use when it is loaded with the goods. It is loaded with the goods to give a total mass of 2000 kg and moving at 2 meters. Right? Half mv square. What is the formula? Half mv square. Half, how much? 2000. Same, right? So how much you will get? 2 meters per means you will get 4. 2, right? How much you will get? 4000 joules. So how we got 4 here? 2 square, v square, that's why. Right. Find kinetic energy of unloaded van when it speeds up to 4 meters per second. Find kinetic energy of unloaded van when it speeds up to 4 meters per second. Means unloaded, means it has basically how much? See here, empty van how much? 1000 kg from this. So mass 1000 kg which is unloaded is 1000 kg, which is loaded is 2000 kg, and 4 meters per second means 4 times. Here this is m, v square, v is 4 square 16, 1000, this is half 1000 times 16, so 2 8 16, so how much you will get? 8000 joules. Fine. Right. Next, so your formula is, as we know that, what is the formula? Half mv square. From the formula, what can we infer about the change in kinetic energy? When mass is double, kinetic energy doubles. Velocity doubles means it increases 4 times, because velocity is v square. If it is 2, it becomes, see here, 2v square. Suppose v is equals to 2. 2 to the 4, 8. See here, 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? These are the 4 times. If the velocity is double, and we can write here 4 times 2. 4 times the kinetic energy. It increases of 4 times if you increase the velocity 2 times. If you increase the mass 2 times, the kinetic energy also doubles. Right. Next, and the last problem over here, a motorcycle accelerates 2 meters per second. Means he has given a 2 meter per square second. This is accelerate. From rest means u is equals to 0 for 5 seconds. T equals to 5 seconds. Find the kinetic energy of motorcycle after 5 seconds. So the mass of the motorcycle is 200 kg. We need to find what? Kinetic energy. What is the formula for the kinetic energy? Half mv square. See, we have mass, no problem, but we don't have v. To find v, we need to know the acceleration formula, that is a equals to v minus u by t. A is how much? 2. V is how much? Here we have to find it. Minus u is how much? 0. Divided by t. Time here is given 5. Cross multiply 10. So v equals to 10 meter per second. So substitute the v equal here. Half. Mass is how much? 200. V is how much? 10. V square means 100. 100. Right? So how much we will get? Final answer is 100 times 100. How many zeros? 4 zeros. 10,000. What is this 10,000? Joules of energy. Fine? Clear everyone? Okay. Thank you.